on 1st December every year. It is a great opportunity for all of us to fight against the HIV. We can show our support to the people who are suffering from HIV and to remember those people who have died due to this AIDS-related illness. Wearing a red ribbon is a universal symbol of awareness and support for the people living with HIV. Wearing a red ribbon is a great way to raise the awareness during the run-up to World AIDS Day. So today, on the occasion of this World AIDS Day, I would like to tell you a story about a brother and sister. And we'll see that how the society treats a person who is suffering from any of the infectious diseases. It is not the diseases which cause the illness. It is the society and the mentality of the people who make the person diseased. So let me begin with the story. Let me tell you a story of a brother and sister, Jake and Mary. Jake was born healthy with no disease, but at birth, Mary was diagnosed with AIDS. Their parents were very much worried about Mary. Both of them used to go school, share all work, and played together always. The only difference between their lifestyles was that Mary had to take her medications regularly. Mary was living healthy life. Only problem she faced was bullying from her own friends and the society. Jake was very much worried about his sister. Mary was a very brilliant student and a great football player. But every time, at the time of team selection, she was rejected by her team captains. Even when she knew that she can play better than the most of the players. Soon she started avoiding her friends and started spending her all time with brother Jake. Jake was very much concerned about his sister as this was the last year of Jake in the school. And he thinks that after his studies and leaving school, his sister will be lonely. Mary was not worried about her disease. She was worried and depressed by the society and her friends. It is us who decides the disease. Being healthy by our thinking is most important. Stigma and discrimination are so unnecessary. Many people believe it's very easy to catch HIV if you can come in contact with any HIV infected person. HIV is also now just a kind of a flu. It don't travel in air. It only spreads or travel through 3 body fluids, that is blood, sexual fluids and breast milk. It spreads like a virus from one person to another. It can cross the countries, cities and boundaries and states. In India, there are 21 million people suffering from this. It is so sad to see that here human himself is responsible for all that he do. Once HIV reaches your body, it attacks your immune system. It gradually weakens your natural defense and affects every part of body. There is no treatment for this HIV, but HIV infected person can lead a healthy life by taking proper medicines and care. Only medication can enhance both quality of life and longevity. Awareness and early diagnosis will certainly help to save more lives.